Before you can get to be G-O-D, you first must become M-A-N. That is not male only. That is womb man, the first man. Code word. Master, able, and noble is the meaning of M-A-N, man. As I mentioned, we're talking about nature. Male and female made he them. The polarity of feminine and masculine gender, not sex. Sex comes afterward. We're not sex or sexual. We have sexuality. So the principle of M-A-N is what allows us to master self, and to master one's environment, one's world, and one's earth. To take dominion of the earth is the edict not of God as person, but of God as nature insists that man masters her and himself. Otherwise, he or she becomes a victim of something or someone else without self-mastery. And one is given then to sudden death, called accidents.